Okay, so we actually have a great GE curriculum here at NUS. It's been developed to provide a holistic education to all students. And the UTCP that you take is actually aligned to the GE curriculum so that you also learn the same core competencies, skills, as well as intelligences that the GE curriculum provides. What's different though is your learning environment. So when you take the UTCP, you're taking it within a residential college. And that means small classrooms, interdisciplinary classrooms, as well as learning with people that you are living with at the moment, right? So it's a very unique sort of living learning experience that leverages on community. And so when it comes to the UTCP, each RC has different modules, right, that they teach the students. So actually, every RC is special. So what's the focus of RC4? The focus of RC4 is systems thinking. And systems thinking is a cutting-edge way of thinking that is highly relevant to the 21st century, primarily because it simplifies complexity, right? So with systems thinking, we encapsulate past, present, and future, and we look at issues both locally and globally. So we learn from the past, we apply it to the present, and we model that outcome for the future.
The other thing that RC4 is known for is that we are a very welcoming community. Okay, so a lot of students tell me that I've never tried this activity before, I've never played this sport before, and yet when I come into RC4 and I say, can I try? I mean, the seniors always tell us, yeah, you can come and try. And we sort of give a lot of opportunities for people to try out new things. I think that's one sort of important characteristic of RC4. And so RC4 is the place where you develop holistically, you will find yourself, you develop interests, and you develop all sorts of skills and networks.
Okay, I think this is very general. Applications will be open for the students, and it is based on the admission given in the undergraduate programs. Students can apply simultaneously, or students can apply after getting offer from US undergraduate program. And they can be selected based on the interviews and also the essays, besides their achievement in academic achievements and also co-curricular activities, etc. So it is very important for students to consider which college they would like to choose, why they would like to choose, and what are their interests. And they have to write essays meaningfully, and also they should be able to live and learn aligning with what they have written.
You know, the university experience, a true university education, is not confined in the classroom. Right? The classroom should be a small part of your education. Right? So what are the remaining parts? I mean, the remaining part, of course, is all experiential. You learn by interacting with people and so on and so forth. Right? You learn leadership skills, soft skills, and all sorts of other useful things. So that's my first comment that living in a hostel, whether RC or hall or whatever, is really a very good way to expose you to a much more holistic education.